What's up, everybody? So I'm in Zagreb, Croatia, as you probably saw from the last 3 videos. For my last video here, I'm going to do a day in my life as a 24-year-old here in Zagreb, Croatia. So I'm going to be going around Zagreb, and right now I'm I think this is a museum, is what I was told during a tour that I did here. In the previous video that you all saw, I think 2 or 3 videos before, and yeah, they explained that this was like a museum here now. It's switched from being like more of a public governmental office building space. I don't really know, but yeah, now it's a museum. You can walk around just here in a roundabout. Yeah, I'm gonna take you along my day here in Zagreb because it's coming to an end, and I'm gonna go see a family of a friend. People who went to my high school might recognize her, so I'm a little bit late. I think I'm running like 5-10 minutes late, so let's head over there right now. She's gonna show me some Croatian food, and yeah, we'll go see what that's like. So head over with me to go get Croatian food at this Croatian restaurant. What's up? Good.
Hello.
People in there.
Oh, it's here. There's a shit ton of people in there. Yeah.
Okay. Just met Zora here at a diner. I think it's called Mimice. Yeah. So she's taking me to a local Croatian diner here where I'll be eating some Croatian food that her mom grew up eating. So actually, I just realized I didn't even give any context. So I know Zora from high school, and I didn't actually really talk to her. She's a year above me, but like I'm friends with her younger sister who's a year below me. Yeah, so I'm in the middle of the two.
The place is called Mimice. It's been around since like the 40s, so it's been around for a while. My mom used to come here all the time when she was younger, so every time we're here, like with my family, she always brings us to this diner, and it's like super cheap and pretty good food in my opinion, like for how well priced it is. But yeah, Nolan will give the final word on whether he likes it or not.
Potato salad. Oh, it's cold.
Yeah.
I expected it to be warm.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, I didn't realize this. I think like people not from Croatia don't think potato salad is important. But I've always... Oh yeah, hi Neva. Neva, you better freaking watch this video.
I thought the restaurant was pretty good. It's a lot of fried food, and I was like full and heavy, and I wasn't able to like finish it. So I have like some for tomorrow. Zora.
Yeah, hopefully Nolan semi-enjoyed it. I'm trying to show him some like classic Croatian food. So these are the things I'm coming up with.
We're gonna say bye to Zora and walk around town, and then later tonight we're gonna meet up with a friend. So Zora gave me some recommendations. It's like a little bit rainy right now, so I don't know if I'll be able to get a lot of footage. Actually, my screen's like a little bit wet. But yeah, we're gonna walk around the city so you can see like Zagreb and what I've been seeing for like the last 2 weeks here. And then yeah, say bye to Zora right now.
Goodbye.
Bye. Alright, so I just met Zora for lunch. My day started really late, so basically I'm just gonna take you all through my day. I'll be walking around Zagreb. I did the walking tour like a couple of videos ago, as you guys saw before. It was a very controlled type of tour, so like all tours, they just kind of take you around, you have to follow along. So I'll be just wandering around the city in Zagreb. Thought it was nice just seeing Zora after like 5 years. I haven't really seen her since high school. Yeah, so I'll just walk around the city and get some video of like what it looks like, because before coming to Croatia, like I had no idea of what Croatia looked like, and I don't think like a lot of people think of it as a place to come to visit. So hopefully I'll be able to show you all around, and maybe you might be inspired to come here someday. So let's just go and see what's around here. Alright, so the first place on the list that Zora gave me is this place called Cathedral Zagreb. I've been here before, this place, with the walking tour. And I guess just a little fun fact is that like the right pillar I think is the original one, and the left one's a new one. So basically like Zagreb was hit by an earthquake recently in the last couple of years, and they renovated the whole cathedral. There was only one pillar before, and now they're putting like a second one in. I don't remember if it's the right or the left. And they have like the old pillars that I guess fell, or they like intentionally broke off. They're like over in this little corner right here. You could see them right there, the tip right there. But yeah, this is like Cathedral of Zagreb. Not really much to see. You can't really go inside because it's under construction renovation. But yeah, no, personally, like I don't think there's too much to do here in Zagreb in the city itself. So like after like a day or two, like you can probably see everything you need to see. I think some of these places I actually haven't been to, so we'll see what these places are about. So that's St. Mark's Cathedral right here. I've already been here, but yeah, it's another church that like, you see like all the scaffolding again. Like it's because of the earthquake. Honestly, I keep on walking around and like going to the old places I went to, but I already have a video on places for that walking tour that hit all the main spots here in Zagreb. So I think what I'm gonna do is just continue on what I usually do during my day, which is like I just go to a cafe and work out. So I'm gonna go to like a very like common cafe here that's recommended by Zora again. I'm gonna first show you all more of the streets here, because this is like the old town of Zagreb. There's a very unique architecture here, so I think it'd be cool for everyone to see like the buildings here in Zagreb. But get ready for the clips of this city. I'm gonna take some B-roll. So I hope you all like that B-roll sequence. Right now I'm gonna go to a cafe and get some editing done. I tend to go to cafes to get some work done, meaning like my video editing, or unpaid work. So I'm gonna go to this cafe that was recommended by Zora as well. It's called La Cabana. Just finished doing some work at the cafe. It's a nice cafe, it's like a lot of smoking. And they allow smoking here in Croatia, so inside some of the cafes. So there's like tons of smoke. I'm a little like lightheaded from it, so I'm gonna go work out now to see if I can sweat all the smoke out. I'm gonna go to the tram and then take it back home to go change and then go to the gym I go to. So let's head to the tram now. So I just got off the metro and I'm gonna go back, get changed, go to the gym. So now you'll see me walking towards the gym. So I've been going to this gym for like 2 weeks now. You'll see, but like I'm the only person who's not Croatian there. And I did learn that that gym basically has like a ton of ex-military, ex-cop Croatian guys. So everyone's super jacked and tall. Yeah, it's a little intimidating. I have to get a little bit more jacked to be up to par with them. Let's go to motivation today. Yeah, I'm trying to get back in shape right now. I'll show you all this gym right now. So I just finished working out. Saw my weight. That's like the baseline right now. So I'm trying to get down to like 8 kilograms. So I have to lose another like 9 or almost 10. But that was such a hard workout. Did basically like cardio and all those pull-ups. It's like everyone's super hardcore there. So it's good motivation to keep on trying to get better, to get stronger. But right now I'm gonna go meet a friend for dinner. So I'm gonna get dressed, take a shower. So I'm super sweaty right now. I'll see you guys all there.
Look beautiful. Now we're getting dessert. The streets are a bit more deserted now, as you can tell from the vantage point. Yeah, I'm taking Nolan to this place called Vinsek, which is like a really popular Zagreb place that my mom has been going to since she was young, so hopefully he likes it.
Join us.
Do you want to join?
Yeah.
Of course. Okay, fine.
Join us for some shots. Fine, let's have some shots.
We'll make a whole
Butter chicken and chicken tikka masala is from the UK. I guess that's what she wrote.
Oh,
yeah.
All right, so we just got our dessert.
We're at this place called Millennium, which is, it's like most traditionally like a ice cream place, but all the places we wanted to go for cake were closed because they close at like 10 p.m. So we came here for cake, and I've had cake here before and it was quite good, so hopefully this will be good.
So I think I got chocolate cake.
I was like, goodbye. I thought you wanted like a dramatic, like me leaving.
A couple hours ago. No, I'm just kidding.
You're like, you just came up to me and we are now friends.